I used to think that I was bad at trading. I would get into my trade and exit too early, and at the very end of the day, I would go back and see that the original trade idea played out perfectly. What was I doing wrong? And the worst part is I knew my setup was good. I realized that I wasn't losing because my strategy or my analysis was inaccurate or wrong. I found out that I was losing because I was switching time frames. I would do my analysis on the 4-hour time frame, then I found myself hesitating, second guessing, looking for additional confirmation, then I would go to the 1 hour, I'd see what the 15-minute is doing, then I'd get scared on the 5-minute and close my trade. And then after all that, I'd go back to the 4-hour time frame and realize my trade was still playing out and that it would have worked out perfectly. After going through this over and over again, I created this one rule that turned me profitable. I developed time frame commitment. And what does that mean? It means once I enter a trade, I stay in that same time frame. When you change time frame after doing an initial analysis, you have made a decision based on a specific time frame. It is like comparing apples to oranges. What the chart is doing on a 5-minute time frame is completely different than what you're seeing on a 4-hour time frame. Very different entries, very different reasons to get in. It could even be very different positions on either time frame. So you have to make sure when you commit to a time frame, you're staying in there for the entire trade. So when you move time frames, you're just adding in extra noise. When you do that, your trade fails not because the strategy, but because your confidence in the position that you're in. So now when I enter a trade, I am fully committed to the time frame that I placed it on. If I enter a position on the 4-hour, I will manage the trade, take a guess, only in the 4-hour. Or if I place a trade on the 1-hour time frame, my entire trade management is going to be done on the 1-hour time frame. I don't look for reasons to exit early, which is why my trades were failing before. I let the trade play out in the same time frame. I let the trade work. All right, I'm going to show you guys an example of exactly what I'm talking about. Look at this example here on Platinum. This is a 4-hour time frame. We've got an upward trend line, excellent entry based on the bounce. We're anticipating that the price is going to respect this upward trend line. We've done our chart analysis. We're feeling confident about this long position in Platinum. Then let's say we get a big red candle like this one here. That would cause a lot of traders to second guess, to get nervous that they're gonna have to give all their profits up. And you might find yourself doing something that I used to do and start going to a lower time frame to make yourself feel better about a position or to maybe look for a sooner exit. So if you go to this same area on Platinum here on the 5-minute time frame, so this right here is the same exact setup here, but in the 5-minute time frame, watching price come down so aggressively would scare you into exiting your position. You very well could have exited it here around this 1784 or even here around this 1761. That would have freaked any 5-minute trader out. But the difference here is you're not a 5-minute trader. You did your chart analysis on the 4-hour time frame. Now watch the difference between the two traders or the two examples here where you would have closed your trade because you would have been freaked out about this pullback on the 5-minute, but then watch how this wouldn't have even phased the 4-hour trader. And look at this insane move. So this is the difference, and this was one of the biggest hurdles that I had to overcome was committing to the time frame. Look how beautifully that played out in the 4-hour time frame. But if you start finding yourself going into these lower time frames, moves like these are gonna freak you out. You're gonna close all of your trades early just like I did. This one rule did 3 things for me. 1, it kept me from panic selling. 2, it kept me from micromanaging. And 3, it gave me the confidence to allow these trades to play out. So remember, consistency and commitment in your time frame brings consistency in your results. If you found this video helpful, I did an entire 17-minute full trendline trading masterclass over here. Watch it. Watch it.